Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend fractions. Now, extending fractions is the opposite of reducing fractions. And if you understand how to reduce fractions, this can help you to understanding extending fractions. For example, to reduce fractions, I'm going to use 21 over 49 as an example. You need to make sure that both numerator and denominator are divided by the same number. So I'm going to divide numerator 21 by 7, but this means I also need to divide the denominator 49 by the same number. And this is to be sure that I'm not only making the fraction smaller, but that the reduced fraction has the same value as the original fraction. So 21 divided by 7 is 3, and 49 divided by 7 is 7. So we've reduced our fraction and both have equal value. 21 over 49 has the same value as 3 over 7. Even though they look different, they are equal. But to extend a fraction, for example, 3 over 8, both numerator and denominator need to be multiplied by the same number. Now, to demonstrate this, I'm going to multiply the numerator 3 by 2. But just like with reducing fractions, whatever I do to the numerator, I need to do the same to the denominator. So I multiplied the numerator by 2. That means I need to multiply the denominator by 2. So let's extend. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So now we've just extended our fraction, and both 3 over 8 and the extended fraction 6 over 16 are equal in value. Now, remember, fractions are division problems where the numerator is divided by the denominator. So let's use a calculator to divide both of our fractions so that we can see our answers in decimal form. 3 divided by 8 equals 0.375. And 6 divided by 16 is equal to 0.375 as well. So as you can see, with both fractions, when you divide the numerator by the denominator, your answer is the same. This is because these are equivalent fractions, which means that they are equal in value, even though they have different numerators and denominators. So let's try extending another fraction, 4 over 7. But this time, we're going to extend our fraction to a fraction that has a denominator of 21. So how can we do this? Well, this means we need to multiply our denominator 7 by a number that would equal 21. So what could that number be? Well, to determine what we can multiply 7 by to equal 21, we need to divide 21 by 7. And 21 divided by 7 equals 3. So this means 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. And remember, since we are extending our fraction, whatever number we multiply our denominator by, we need to multiply our numerator by as well. So that's 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12. There you have it. We've extended our fraction 4 over 7 to a fraction with a denominator of 21. Okay, let's try one more. This time 2 over 6. And we're going to extend this fraction to a fraction that has a denominator of 42. Now, this means we need to multiply our denominator, 6, by a number that equals 42. So, what could that number be? Remember, to determine what we need to multiply 6 by to equal 42, we can divide 42 by 6, which is 7. So this means 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And remember, since we're extending the fraction, whatever number we multiply our denominator by, we need to multiply our numerator by that same number as well. And 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. And that's it. We've extended our fraction 2 over 6 to a fraction with a denominator of 42. Excellent job. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.